Hi guys, my name is Christopher and welcome back to Go Green Kitchen. Today we're making banana bread and this recipe was inspired by Betty Crocker and you can find the recipes in the description below. Start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees and greasing a loaf pan. In the mixing bowl, add 1 cup of sugar, 3 bananas, half a cup of coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and mix until smooth. Stir in a 1/4 cup of oat milk. We're using oat milk here as a non-dairy substitute for milk, and we're also using coconut oil to replace eggs. Add 2 cups of flour, 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and stir. Pour into the pan and bake from 1 hour to 1 hour and 10 minutes. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like and subscribe for more local leader videos.